Today, let's have a look at this very cool circa 1965 DMW racing motorcycle. Well, welcome to Bader International and Bader Classic Auctions. This is a very unique motorcycle. This is a DMW, not a B as in Bravo, D as in David. This actually, DMW stands for Dawson Motor Works, and they were produced out of England. And as you can see, this bike has been converted for racing. It has an alloy gas tank and rear fender set, and Villiers 250, looks like a Stormer engine with an Amal GP carburetor, running Dunlop rims front and rear, leading shoe brakes on the front. Very unique front fork system here. Obviously had a fairing on it one time. This bike was actually bought out of England in the condition that you see it here. And we have no history on it. So if any of our English friends may know of this bike, maybe they can contact me to let me know if they can give me any history on it. But this motorcycle is going to be going over our October 22 auction on Bader Classic Auctions website. This is going to be a no reserve motorcycle, so you'll have an opportunity to pick it up at a very reasonable price. This would make a great classic racer. Put it in your British bike collection. And with the Amal GP and the Stormer engine, I'll bet this gets up and goes. Well, again, you can check it out on our websites, Bader Classic Auctions, Bader International. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. Thanks for viewing our many videos that we have up on YouTube, and I hope you enjoy what we do. Thanks again for watching.